Hello guys! Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 Amazon kitchen finds this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Honey Can Do KDH 02989 Stainless Steel Bag Saver Medium is a functional and efficient storage solution for every household. With a generous capacity of 343.2 quarts, this product effectively helps in organizing and storing plastic bags in a neat and convenient manner. Made from durable steel and plastic materials, this bag saver ensures longevity and sturdiness for long-term usage. The silver color of the product adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or storage area, blending seamlessly with various decor styles. The item form of this bag saver is specifically designed to accommodate bags, effectively keeping them in one place and preventing clutter. Its unscented feature ensures that stored bags remain odor-free and ready for reuse at any time. Overall, the Honey Can Do KCH 02989 Stainless Steel Bag Saver Medium is a practical and essential addition to any home offering a simple yet effective solution for storing plastic bags while maintaining a clean and organized living.
The Cole Mason Fresh Herb Keeper is a kitchen essential for anyone who appreciates the flavor and freshness of herbs in their culinary creations. This clear acrylic container is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing, allowing you to easily see the contents inside. With a generous capacity of 0.94 liters, this herb keeper provides ample space to store a variety of herbs without cluttering your refrigerator. The clear design helps you quickly identify the herbs you need while cooking, saving you time and effort in food preparation. One of the standout features of this herb keeper is its dishwasher-safe material, making cleaning up a breeze after use. You can simply pop it in the dishwasher and have it ready for the next batch of herbs without any hassle. Whether you are an amateur cook or a seasoned chef, the Cole East Mason Fresh Herb Keeper is a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. It not only helps in keeping your herbs fresh for longer, but also adds a touch.
The simple modern Disney bento lunchbox for kids in Disney's Frozen Elsa's Snowflake design is a delightful and functional lunch container designed with young children in mind. Made of durable plastic, this lunchbox is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for daycare or school lunches. One of the standout features of this lunchbox is its leak-resistant design, ensuring that your child's food stays fresh and contained until they are ready to eat. Additionally, being BPA-free parents can have peace of mind knowing that their child's meal is stored safely. With a capacity of 1.9 pounds, this lunchbox provides ample space for a well-balanced meal while still.
The Norpro Smart Universal Lid is a versatile and functional kitchen accessory that enhances your cooking experience. Crafted from high-quality glass and finished in an elegant black color, this lid is not only durable, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your cookware collection. Designed by the reputable brand Norpro, known for its commitment to quality and innovation, this lid is compatible with various pans and pots, making it a truly universal kitchen essential. With dimensions measuring 1.75 inches in height and 12.25 inches in width, this lid fits snugly on most standard cookware, ensuring a secure fit for efficient cooking. The sleek and practical design of the Norpro Smart Universal Lid makes it a must-have for every kitchen. Its transparent glass construction allows you to monitor your food as it cooks, while the black color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. Whether you're simmering sauces, steaming vegetables, or keeping your dishes warm,
the OXO Good Grips Precision Batter Dispenser is a reliable and innovative kitchen tool designed to enhance your baking experience. With product dimensions of 5.6 into 7.3 into 7.4 inches and an item weight of 11.9 ounces, this dispenser offers a compact and lightweight design that is easy to handle, manufactured by OXO International Limited. This batter dispenser boasts quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Its ASIN is B07G5JPM, and the item model number is 112231000. Originating from China, this product has garnered positive feedback from customers, earning a commendable 4.4 out of 5 stars rating based on 5,092 ratings. ranking at number 1 to 629 in kitchen and dining and number 2 in batter dispensers in the bestsellers rank. The OXO Good Grips Precision Batter Dispenser demonstrates its popularity among consumers. Notably, this product has not been discontinued since its first availability on August 3, 2018. In conclusion, the OXO Good Grips Precision Batter Dispenser combines practicality,